Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to show you how to use the activity with the lesson guide from your TCI resources. I'm still using the Native Americans and their land from the 5th grade series for this demonstration. And if you look at the first activity, it's going to be summarized by the question about how Native Americans adapted different environments in North America. And it gives you an overview, which is basically the enduring understanding. It also gives you your visual discovery teaching strategy. And I just wanted to show you quickly how to use the different links that are here. If you click the materials link, it explains the materials that you'll need. It also includes a lesson guide for you, which opens up as a separate tab. It breaks things down by time frames. You'll see each thing has an estimated time. It also gives you an overview, how much prep is needed by you, and so forth. You can click in here for vocabulary, but I just wanted to come back here quickly and continue along the line. An important part of this is how to differentiate instruction with the activities, and I wanted to show you a little bit. So for English language learners, it gives you some ideas as to what you can use and what you can do, and specifically reinforcing the concepts of adaptation and environments. It gives you, for kids with special needs, perhaps special ed students, obviously some different strategies for that. Students reading below grade level and writing below grade level. Obviously, it allows you differentiation. And students who might be in the LEAP program, it gives you a way to scaffold the project up for them to allow them to have enrichment. If you want to enhance learning and provide additional stuff, it gives you additional reading opportunities that you can use. For this one, I would just want to put a plug in for a book that I purchased for the district some years ago called Dick and Among the Lenape, which should be at each elementary school to today. And again, this provides some outside learning as well as some outside links that are previewed for you and are safe for elementary students. And in terms of blending learning, here are some activities that may require some adaptations or may not require some adaptations. But if you need to physically distance next year, if the COVID restrictions are still in place, you can certainly do that. And it gives you some ideas for how to, approach this lesson if you wanted to have students do it as members of groups. So I hope that's helpful for you for using the activity. Again, it will also break the activity into parts. It will allow you to see the activities in Spanish. For the children, you just click the ES for Español, and you'll see that everything is translated for the students. You can certainly translate it back. You can translate it to another language by clicking into Google Translate, which is already embedded. And it's very easy to go back to English here if you need to do that. And all again you need to do to see the different parts of the activity and where they're located in the book and what they relate to would be to click in here, and it gives you the various parts of the activities. And this one happens to be a word bank that again links to definitions over here. And again, this allows the children to do this independently, to check their answers, to reset it, and so on and so forth. Here are some pictures that go along with it. Here's an extension. And again, it's pretty self-explanatory as to how to use each of these different activities. The questions are already there. All you have to do is click over here on the right, and it will show the children the answers if you need it. And if you want, you can allow some of these to be visible to students and some of them don't have to be. You can determine that. But again, that's a little bit about how to use the activity and the lesson guides with your students.